Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. In this lesson, we will use the PostToolUse Hook event, which runs after Claude executes a tool. This event gives us the chance to format, summarize, or log the output automatically. It's perfect when your tool results are too long or messy to read. By the end of this video, you will be able to intercept Claude's tool output using the PostToolUse event, pass that output using Python, format or summarize long outputs, print a clean preview in your terminal, and understand how to extend this hook for logging or error handling. Every time Claude runs a tool like Bash or Python, the hook receives a JSON payload. It includes details like the tool name, tool input, and the tool output. The PostToolUse hook lets you inspect or modify that output before it's shown to you. This means you can automatically format results, detect errors, or even save summaries. I will go to the .claude folder since I want this to be global hook and paste the JSON file there. I am granting access to all tools by using bash and setting the type to command. We will be running the clean validate hook Python script, which will be stored in the .claude/hooks directory. Next, let's navigate to the hooks folder. Create a new file named clean validate hook Python file. Open it. We will read the JSON data from Claude. We grab the tool underscore name and tool response from the JSON. Then we extract the stdout field from the tool response. Next, we use a regex to remove all ANSI color codes from the raw bash output, leaving clean plain text for our summary. If there is no output, we simply exit. Otherwise, we join the lines, format them, and print the final summary. Now let's see it in action. I will run a tool that outputs a long list. For example, a bash command like ls-a. Without a hook, Claude dumps the full multi-line output directly into the chat. It's hard to scan and scroll through. Now let's enable our PostToolUse hook and run the same command again. This time we see a better and formatted result. Much cleaner, just a short summary that tells us exactly what happened without the noise. You can extend this hook easily. For example, add timestamps for when the tool finished, detect lines containing error or warnings, and print them in a different color, or save each summary to a .log file for later review. Now let's recap what we learned. So in this video, we learned how to capture tool output using the PostToolUse hook event, parse and format it using Python, summarize long or messy outputs into a short readable preview, extend the hook for logging, error detection, or notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.